KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 14th of November. I'm James Spann. Another cold and wet day for the state today. Even colder tomorrow. Clouds will linger, but by Friday, the weather will be brighter with the sun coming back. Weekend looks good. What about Thanksgiving week? Let's go in there and talk about things on this early Wednesday morning. Cold core upper low in the base of a trough that's around Dallas-Fort Worth. Those things could be problematic. That'll be lifting out over Arkansas, West Tennessee, and Kentucky over the next 24 hours. And again, for us, we have a very moist air mass, a cloudy sky, and we got a few spots of drizzle. This is the Columbus Air Force Base radar. Rain beginning to increase over West Alabama. That will be expanding, and the rain should be fairly widespread this afternoon and tonight. And man, it's a cold rain. 34 at Coleman and Haleyville. We're so close to having, winter weather problems. But again, if you look at the upper air soundings from last night, the data from the balloons, profiles suggest just all rain for all of Alabama today. Around the region, look at Mobile. They're sitting at 42. They might establish a new record low maximum today. And again, much of the country in the deep freeze here, as we're about a week out from Thanksgiving. If you're looking for warmth, South Florida is about your only hope. Boy, look at the messy situation for the East. Winter weather advisories from Memphis up to Cincinnati. We've got freeze warnings in effect for much of the southern states and flash flood watches from Atlanta up to near Washington, D.C., and winter storm watches in effect for parts of Pennsylvania and New York. Here's a closer look at our region down here. The freeze warning, this is for tomorrow morning. And this runs from basically Haleyville and Hamilton down to Mobile and Foley. Wow. First freeze of the season for them. A freeze watch over for parts of South Mississippi and Louisiana. A flash flood watch for parts of Georgia and the Carolinas. And a winter weather advisory around Memphis and the Mississippi Delta. That's for the possibility of a light wintry mix today. But again, no wintry weather issues in Alabama, just a cold rain. Maybe some thunder for Florida today, but no severe weather. And the rain for the next 7 days, the bulk of the rain over the east in Alabama. Heaviest rain near the Georgia border. Rain amounts there could exceed 1 inch, closer to 1/2 inch for the western side of the state. But the good news, after tomorrow morning, we're going to be dry for a while, and we'll take that. And off in the tropics, hurricane season runs through the end of November. A little weekend pulse near Puerto Rico, not expected to develop. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. Deep upper low near Shreveport. And obviously it's going to be a wet day today for us. This is the 3-kilometer NAM valid at noon today, and you can see rain for Alabama. The chance of freezing rain just north and west of the state, parts of southern Middle Tennessee and northeast Mississippi, a little sleet up there, and then a chance of light snow for Memphis, back over toward Little Rock and down toward the Mississippi Delta. Under the upper low, the cold core. But that mesh should stay west and north of here. Just a cold, rainy day for us. Tomorrow, the mess lifts north. The rain should end very early in the day. The bulk of the day will be dry but cloudy and very cold. I wouldn't be shocked if we stayed in the 30s all day long over the northern half of the state. In fact, the NAM is showing a high of only 35 at Birmingham. We're not going that cold in our forecast. We're using 39, but it's going to be just a very cold day. Those are the highs tomorrow will be closer to average lows for mid-January here. But Friday, a brighter day. We start today Friday morning in the upper 20s. The high will be in the middle 50s. The sky bright and sunny. Saturday looks good, sunny with low 60s. Sunday looks good, mid 60s. A bright sunny sky. Let's go through Thanksgiving week. This is Monday. Sunny with low 60s. Same thing on Tuesday. And a week from today, Thanksgiving Eve, busiest travel day of the year. A deep trough off the Pacific coast, trough over eastern Canada, and a short wave over Texas. And that wave over Texas will likely produce some rain there, but really that's the only inclement weather in the country. So if you're traveling, things look pretty good. There should be some rain at DFW Airport, Dallas-Fort Worth, Wednesday, may be causing some delays, but nothing severe. Just mostly light rain. And for us, that would be a dry day, but clouds will likely increase. And then Thanksgiving Day. Again, we see evidence of a surface low in the Gulf of Mexico, and if that's right, that would kind of suggest a cool, wet day for much of the deep south. No thunderstorms, nothing severe, just kind of cool and wet. And the following day, Black Friday, the 23rd, that surface low moves off into the Atlantic. We're dry. And out west, a chance of snow developing for the Sierra Nevadas, some of the high terrain out there. Here are the numbers. Again, obviously, tomorrow's our cold day with a high of 39. But next week, Thanksgiving week, looks a whole lot better with highs 50s and 60s and lows in the 30s and 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.